Hey guys, it's Tanya and I am going to unbox my summer Fab Fit Fun box with you guys. I just got it. It feels like it took forever, but I finally got it and I thought I would open it up with you guys. Since I did open up my spring box with you guys, I figured I would open up the summer one as well. But before I do that, for those of you who are new here and just clicked on this video, hello. My name is Tanya and I am the non-traditional mommy. I have 11 amazing children. I am married to my wonderful husband and together we operate a business. And on this channel, I just talk about a host of different things. So go check out some more of my videos and see if you want to hit the subscribe button and join my little family. For the rest of you non-traditional family members, you guys know I love you and you are the MVPs. Thank you guys for hanging in there. Here is the summer box. So the summer is teal, the pink one, or the spring one was pink. So I am curious to see what's in here. If you watched my spring unboxing, you know that it was my first Fab Fit Fun box. I went on and I did the customization of it. This box I did zero customizing because I wanted to see what it would be like to just have a surprise box. So I didn't do any of the customization or any customization on this one. So I have no idea what is in this box. I don't even know like what the choices were. I didn't look to see what they were thinking about putting in the summer box. I have no idea, you guys, what is in this box. So I'm a little excited about that and I'm somewhat nervous. My spring box, I do want to say this. I got a book bag in that spring box, and if you guys watched it, you saw that I was kind of like, oh, I don't really know about this bag, and I chose that bag and I was kind of like, oh, I don't know how I'm gonna carry it. Well, when I took my couples trip with my honey, when we did our little staycation, I used that bag as a pump bag. So I put my pump and all of its stuff in it because I was like, oh, it's small enough, it's a little backpack, it's perfect. And you guys, I put my stuff in it, put it on my back, and it broke. It just literally fell apart. So that had me like, I don't know how I'm feeling, like, what's the quality of this stuff? Like, I don't know. It just had me feeling a certain way. So I still love my sunglasses. They have been awesome. Trying to think if there's anything else in that box that I've like been loving. My sunglasses. I love my sunglasses. So yeah, let's open up this box. Maybe we'll have better luck this time around. All right, there it is. So on the cover is Eva Longoria. Am I saying her name? Longoria. Eva Longoria. I think she is awesome. She was like my favorite character in Desperate Housewives. If you guys remember the whole like saga of Desperate Housewives. Again, I did like getting the little magazine in the box. I talked about that. Oh, so this time there is an $80 gift card for HelloFresh. And then $20 off your first 4 deliveries. So there's this. So you know, in the first one I got a $50 off and I was gonna use it and I went to HelloFresh to try to see about using it and see what all HelloFresh, you know, included and what, and y'all, $50 was not enough for my size family. So that was 80. So I don't know, we'll see. All right, so you deserve some summer fun. Hey guys, I wanted to hop back on really quick. I was going through the box and I realized that I have a coupon code for you guys. So I will leave that link below if you guys want to try out Fab Fit Fun for yourself. It is good through July 31st, $15 off your first box. So a really great deal if you guys want to check out Fab Fit Fun for yourself. So again, I will leave that coupon code below for you guys. All right, let's see. All right, you guys, I don't know. I didn't pick any of this stuff, so I'm like, I have no idea. All right, so there is some makeup setting spray by Collab, I think. Contains 70% of organic ingredients. It has a sunscreen in it, so that's in there. So yeah, you guys know I'm always iffy about face stuff. I did try the face wash that was in the last box, and per my thoughts, it did break me out. Alrighty, this is an exfoliating foot mask. Now this I will definitely try. This is by, I think it's Wish, is how you say that. I would definitely try that, you guys. It's a bobble hair rings. All right. So just some little hair ties. Those are pretty cool. This is some pore purifying cleanser by Dr. Brent. So this is another face cleanser. So you guys, I'm getting so much face and body stuff that I just don't know if I'm gonna keep getting these boxes. I am like so funny about putting stuff on my face. There is Grace and Stella Spray All Day Hydrating Rose Facial Spray. So more face stuff. All right, you guys. So I don't know, y'all. Generation Clay Brightening Purple Clay Mask. So more more facial stuff. Alrighty, what else is down in here? I hope something other than face stuff. What is this? I have no idea what this is. Let's open it and see. I have no idea. It looks like a scarf, maybe. Yeah, I think it's like, is it a scarf? What is it? Oh, it's like a, oh, it's a robe. It's a robe. Okay, I'll take a robe. So it's just a very light robe. Can you guys see? It's just a very light, thin robe. This I am happy about. This I will take. I love a nice kind of airy robe. I have like a really thick robe, and then I have my silk robe. So this is nice just to kind of throw over my pajamas and lounge in. Yay, I'll take that. This says it is 2 silicone wine glasses. Dishwasher safe. Let's open it up. Oh, it comes in a cute little bag. I love packaging. I think presentation is everything. Oh, those are cute. Okay, no, those are cute. 2 little silicone wine glasses. I like those. It's just 2 silicone little wine glasses. Squishy, squishy, yay. Those are nice. Those are nice little like travel wine glasses. There's one more thing in here, y'all. What is this? Oh, it's one of the message boards. Oh, that's cute. You guys have seen these all over, I'm sure. The felt message board. Yay! I've been kind of thinking about getting one of these and was like, oh, you're never gonna use that. Like, you don't need it. Because, you know, I'm all about not buying stuff I don't need. However, I really kind of wanted it, but I couldn't convince myself to get it. So I'm excited to have one in this box. Yay! And then it's got all the little letters and a little baggie to keep your letters in. So that is awesome. So as far as the summer box, overall, I'm really excited about the letterboard. I'm excited about the robe. I really like the silicone wine glasses. Those 3 things were really cool. I was excited to have those and get those. All of the facial stuff, there's like 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, this one is a foot. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 facial cleansers. This one is a clay mask. This one is a pore purifying. This one is a makeup setting spray. And this one is a hydrating spray. So, and I kind of felt that way in the last box. Like there was quite a few things of like facial things. So, I don't know, you guys. I don't know how I feel. Like if you are a person that's into facial products and want to try a whole lot of different facial things and see what you like, then maybe this box subscription is for you because you get something different every quarter. But I don't know how I feel like if it's worth it with the other stuff. So, and I did not. So full disclosure, I did not customize this box. So it very well could have been that I could have went on and chose not to have so many facial products and they wouldn't have sent this many. So that could have totally been my fault, and I will make sure, because I think I'm gonna do a full year to see like the whole seasons before I give my final like verdict of it. So I will be sure to customize my fall box to just see if it's different or whatever. But spring, I was kind of like, okay, this isn't bad. Summer, I'm like, yeah, okay. I don't know if it's worth all the hype kind of thing, but I do like 3 of the items I was very happy to get in the box. So I don't know, I'm kind of neutral right now. We'll see you guys. But that was my unboxing of my summer Fab Fit Fun box. Give me a thumbs up if you guys like these kind of videos, you like the unboxings, all of that good stuff. Leave a message below, let me know what was your favorite thing, and just overall, what do you think about the Fab Fit Fun boxes? Like if you've been a long time subscriber, kind of tell me what to expect, all that good stuff. Or if you're not a subscriber at all, would you like getting these items? Would you like being surprised? Would you rather customize? You guys tell me what you think about this whole thing. Alrighty, you guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.